One of the wonders that 12th century saw was Akka Mahadevi. Born in 1130, she was a female mystic known for her immense love and devotion to Lord Channamallikarjuna. The holy atmosphere at home, the beauty of natural surroundings, and the innate Godward tendencies molded her into a genuine mystic. At the age of 8, she was initiated into the secrets of Linga. The divinity inherent in her began to manifest in all its radiance. Blessed with these qualities, she proclaimed that her body, mind, and soul belonged to her beloved Channamallikarjuna. Her vachanas distinctly showcase the depth and intensity of her love for the Lord. A paragon of beauty, she reluctantly entered into a conditional marriage with King Kaushika. She walked out of her marriage and gave up all her worldly connections, even the clothes she was wearing. Her sole purpose was only to merge with her beloved Lord Channamallikarjuna. Filled with devotion, she reached Kalyana. She met many fellow seekers who, out of regard and affection, conferred her with the title Akka. During her stay at Kalyana, her love and devotion to the Lord made her realize that her destination for salvation was Sri Saila. With her Lord as the torchbearer, the dense forests, harsh climatic conditions, nothing could stop her from going to Sri Saila, the holy destination for all mystics.
ಕಲ್ಪತರು ಗಿಡವೆಲ್ಲ ಮರುಜೀವನಿ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಪರುಷ ನೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಿಮುಕ್ತ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಪರುಷ ನೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಿಮುಕ್ತ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ವನವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ಜನವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿರ್ಜರಾಮೃತ ಮೃಗವೆಲ್ಲ ಪುರುಷ ಮೃಗ ಜಲವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿರ್ಜರಾಮೃತ ಮೃಗವೆಲ್ಲ ಪುರುಷ ಮೃಗ ಎಡರುವ ಹರಳೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ.
Surrounded by the forests of Nallamala Hills, 220 kilometers from Hyderabad, Sri Saila is located in the Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh. The abode of Lord Channamallikarjuna, Sri Saila has been a paradise for mystics and yogis since the 1st century AD. It has been a place walked by many enlightened souls like Siddha Agastya, Vashishta, Adi Shankaracharya, Dattatreya, and many more. The Vedas and Puranas hold Sri Saila at par with Kashi. Her unflinching faith and desire helped her reach the Lord's abode at Sri Saila. Akka Mahadevi was captivated at the divine sight and radiance of the Shivalinga. She fell on her knees and tears gushed from her eyes.
Om Namah Shivaya.
She held them back, not wanting to blur her vision even for a moment. She had waited all her life for this moment. Her joy knew no bounds, completely engulfing her until she became joy herself. Absorbed in this ultimate experience, she left in search of a place to perform her penance.
ಮರುಜೀವನಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯನ ಆ ಚೆನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯನ ನೆತ್ತಿನ ಗಿರಿಯ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಚೆನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯನ ನೆತ್ತಿನ ಗಿರಿಯ ಸುತ್ತಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತ ಬಂದು ಕದಲಿಯವನವ ಕಂಡೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡುತ್ತ ಬಂದು ಕದಲಿಯವನವ ಕಂಡೆ ನಾನು ಕದಲಿಯವನವ ಕಂಡೆ ನಾನು ಕದಲಿಯವನವ ಕಂಡೆ ನಾನು.
Surrounded by thick jungle and overlooking the river Krishna, she found a natural cave. With an imposing arch which served as a gateway, the tunnel led to the Sanctum Sanctorum. Craggy, devoid of light and air, the sanctorum was a tiny enclosure. She placed her Shivalinga on an existing platform where a natural source of water dripped onto it from a crevice above. Enchanted with this temple-like cave, Akka Mahadevi dwelt in the cave and performed her penance. Even now, this cave is home to many ascetics of the Veershaiva cult for deep meditation. Basking in the love of her beloved Channamallikarjuna, her spiritual radiance spread like wildfire. The dense forests, the flowing river, and the soothing breeze were the only witnesses to her immense bhakti. While traveling through the jungle one day, Akka Mahadevi discovered the beautiful plantain grove Kadalivana. Kadalivana is a vast nature-made mandap wherein over 2,000 mystics can meditate together. Situated across the river from the Akka Mahadevi cave, Kadalivana is a 10-kilometer walk through the dense forests. As per the Skanda Purana, Kadalivana is a sacred meditation abode accessible only by true seekers. True belief can shake mountains, and when a bhakta so desires, she can even melt the mountain lord himself. With salvation as her ultimate desire, Akka Mahadevi meditated at this beautiful Kadalivana. With all senses chanting her beloved Lord's name, it was here that she finally departed from her body and became one with her Almighty, Channamallikarjuna.
ಪ್ರಾಣನಿಮ್ಮ ರೂಪಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ನಾನಾರ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಪ್ರಾಣನಿಮ್ಮ ರೂಪಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ನಾನಾರ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಅರಿವು ನಿಮ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ವಯವಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ಅರಿವು ನಿಮ್ಮಲಿ ಸ್ವಯವಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ನಾನಾರನರಿವೆ ನಾನಾರನರಿವೆ ತನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆತನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೂಪಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ನಾನಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ ಮನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೂಪಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ನಾನಾರ ನೆನೆವೆ ಚೆನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವಾದಿರಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ ಮರೆದೆ ಕಾಣ, ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ ಮರೆದೆ ಕಾಣ. ತನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೂಪಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ನಾನಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವೆ, ಮನ ನಿಮ್ಮ